Hello, let us solve another type of question from set. Let me first read the question. Of the total candidate in an examination, 40% student passed in math, 45 in science, and 55 in health. So here let M, S, and H represent the student who passed in math, science, and health respectively. Let us jump into the question. 10% student passed in maths and science, 20 in science and health, and 15 in health and math. Here I have illustrated it symbolically, and M intersection as 10 and S intersection as 20 and S intersection M is 15. This is the scratch of Venn diagram. Now let us represent the information here. So this is what we get on filling the information. Now let us try to understand the concept. And M intersection S is 10. This means the colored part red is 10 over here. This overall is 10. Now if we suppose this middle part to be X, then this upper part will be 10 minus X on simplification, such that on adding this to 10 minus X, this upper portion and this lower portion, we get 10. That is 10 minus X plus X. X and X gets cancelled out to give 10 for the overall portion M intersection S. Similarly, if this S intersection H portion is 20, it is represented by this orange color over here. To get this lower portion S intersection H only, we have to subtract X from 20 to get this lower portion, which gives 20 minus X. Once again, we can do it for H intersection M, which gives 15 minus X. Since we are given M to be 40%, that is 40% student passed in math, it is represented by this colored portion, which is 40%. Now in order to get the student who passed in math only, we have to subtract this intersection part, this part from the total M circle, which is this remaining part. So we have to subtract this 15 minus X plus X plus 10 minus X from this overall 40. Remember, here I have used bracket because it's the same number, 10 minus X. If we know the X, then 10 minus X will be the same number, it's one number. So 40 minus 10 minus X minus 15 minus X give the student who passed in maths only. Here the overall circle of M has been broken into four parts, this and this portion. Sorry, this and this four portion. In it in formula method, that is the circle of overall circle NM is broken into 1, 2, 3 and 4 part. Here and only M remains unknown, so we have to calculate the value of N only M. Here positive and negative X gets cancelled, so N only M is 15 plus X. Here I've written 15 plus X. So to calculate N only S, I've used the similar method, same as N only M. If you couldn't grab this, please pause the video and look at it, and once try to solve it yourself. You'll get 15 plus X. So N only S also gives 15 plus X. So to calculate N only X, I've used again the same method. So this on solving gives 20 plus X. If you couldn't get the calculation or understand the calculation, please pause the video and look at it more clearly. Here I got 20 plus X. Now after doing this, when we add the individual elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 elements, we get the total of 100, which is in percentage. So the union of the three circle, math, science and health, gives the addition of the seven elements, the integration of seven elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 elements. Here 15 minus x, 15 plus x plus 15 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 10 minus x, 15 minus x, 20 minus x plus x gives sums up to give 100. Here on calculation, this x gets cancelled out, positive negative x gets cancelled out, positive negative x gets cancelled out. And for the simplification, it gives 95 plus x equals 100, so x equals to 5%. So here our central x intersection of all three part is 5%. Now let's look for what our question has asked. Draw a Venn diagram to show the above information, and this is our Venn diagram. And calculate the percentage that passed in all math, science and health. It is our central part, M intersection S. We found it to be 5%, which is our answer. You can also use this formula to get your answer. This formula gives you a quick answer. So yeah, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.